Hello everyone, this is Amir Bas, and today I'm going to talk to you about this is our first video on our programming, and in this video I'm going to talk about two basic things that how if you have not installed R, how are you going to install it, right? So first thing first, there are two things which you want to install. The first thing is the base R, which you have to go from this link, and I will put this link in the description. What you need to do is that within this link, you have to click here, which is download R-4.5-0 for Windows, depending on whatever date you are downloading this may get updated. So if you click over here, it's gonna download it. The file is getting downloaded. If we can see over here, when you download this file, you're gonna just run it and install it. So that will install the base R for you. That's the first thing which you need to do. The second thing which you are required to do is that go to this link, um, which I will also put in the description of this video, and then download this RStudio, which is the interface through which we'll be doing the R programming. You have to click here, and in the same way, another exe file will start downloading. And when that is downloaded, first you need to install the base R and then install the RStudio. So in this way, you'll have your environment set up to start R programming. I will see you in the next video.